అమరావతిలో దేశ క్వాంటం భవిష్యత్తుకు పునాది పడిందని కేంద్ర మంత్రి జితేందర్ సింగ్ ఉద్ఘాటించారు. ఈ సాంకేతికత త్వరలోనే మన జీవితాల భాగం కానుందని తెలిపారు.
This foundation stone is not mere a foundation stone of a construction, but a foundation stone of India's quantum future. In the times to come, it is going to be a game changer for communication, for security, for defense, for healthcare. And therefore, it is essential for us. It's no longer a choice. It's no longer an option. We have no other choice. If you are still working with the conventional computer system or conventional cyber security systems, a quantum computer on the other side is not only faster, more efficient, but could be a huge threat to you. And to be very simple for these small children, I tell you how. You send these encrypted messages on WhatsApp, which are very difficult also to unfold. Of course, the crime agencies do have means to do that. But yes, sometimes it may be possible. But if it is a quantum computed encryption, because when we were working on National Quantum Mission, I tried to study on that. Roughly, it may take lakhs and lakhs of years to crack down that encryption. So you can understand, if the other side has or the adversary has it, you don't have, what great risk you are putting yourself and to the nation.
వేగంగా విస్తరిస్తున్న సేవా రంగంలో క్వాంటం కంప్యూటింగ్ది ప్రధాన పాత్ర అని కేంద్ర మంత్రి పెమ్మసాని చంద్రశేఖర్ ఉద్ఘాటించారు. హైదరాబాద్ను టెక్ రాజధానిగా తీర్చిదిద్దిన చంద్రబాబు నేతృత్వంలో సిలికాన్ వ్యాలీ తరహాలో క్వాంటం వ్యాలీ రూపుదిద్దుకుంటుందని తెలిపారు.
This Amaravati today is being built not just with bricks and mortar. It is being built with qubits and algorithms of the future. You look at IBM, Microsoft, Amazon, they are racing to build quantum clouds. China has launched quantum satellites, and the European Union has invested billions in quantum research. Because if you look at the last year alone, the quantum ecosystem generated $1 billion in revenue within a year. And by 2040, it is projected to reach close to $170 billion of revenue. Quantum revolution needs young people. I request, please seize this opportunity.
వినూత్న ఆవిష్కరణల కేంద్రంగా రాష్ట్రాన్ని తీర్చిదిద్దేందుకు క్వాంటం కంప్యూటింగ్ ఎంతో కీలకం కానుందని మంత్రి లోకేష్ అభిప్రాయపడ్డారు. క్వాంటం వ్యాలీ ద్వారా అమరావతి మెరుగైన ఉద్యోగ ఉపాధి అవకాశాల కేంద్రంగా అభివృద్ధి చెందుతుందని తెలిపారు.
Today we are laying the foundation for India's future leadership in quantum technologies right here in Amravati. Many years ago, when the world was only beginning to understand the potential of software services, one visionary leader in India asked a bold question: why can't Hyderabad be the global capital of information technology? That single question changed history. It led to Microsoft and global technology giants coming to India, created lakhs of jobs. That visionary leader is none other than our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu. Today, in a new era defined by deeper technologies, bigger challenges, and even greater opportunities, he has once again asked a disruptive question: why should India follow the quantum revolution? Why shouldn't India lead it? The answer to that question is the Amravati Quantum Valley here. Amravati will not just be a capital city of administration. Amravati will be the capital city of science, computation, and innovation. It will be a city that attracts global talent. It will be a city that exports not just sciences, but frontier technologies to the world. If Hyderabad symbolized India's IT revolution, Amravati will symbolize India's quantum revolution.
సాధారణంగా 3 నుంచి 5 ఏళ్ల సమయం పట్టే క్వాంటం వ్యాలీ ప్రాజెక్టును కేవలం 12 నెలల్లో పూర్తి చేసిన ఏపీ ప్రభుత్వానిది క్వాంటం వేగమని ఐఐటి మద్రాస్ డైరెక్టర్ ప్రొఫెసర్ కామకోటి కితాబిచ్చారు. క్వాంటం టెక్నాలజీలో ఏపీ యువత తిరుగులేని విజయం సాధిస్తారని విశ్వాసం వ్యక్తం చేశారు.
As the Chief Minister has eloquently stated, just as we led the information technology revolution in the 1990s, we want Andhra Pradesh to lead advancement in quantum technology, securing a first-mover advantage in this transformative field. Under his visionary leadership, Andhra Pradesh has become the first state in the world to envision a dedicated quantum valley as the foundation of its future economy. The Chief Minister personally inspires students to embrace quantum AI and deep technology. When a Chief Minister tells young people their future lies in frontier technology, that message carries extraordinary weight. Our first meeting, friends, was in March this year. Today we are laying a foundation stone. What typically takes 3 to 5 years has happened here in just under 12 months. This is not bureaucratic speed. This is quantum speed.